Introducing the cleaner, safer, better way to revitalize your hair between washings. Volumizing Dry Shampoo from Norwex extends your style without harmful chemicals. A uniquely crafted formula in a refillable, non-aerosol pump. Safer for you and the environment. 100% USDA bio-based, this lightweight powder effortlessly removes oil while caring for your scalp. Our signature blend of Nordic antioxidants nourishes hair while fending off free radicals. Tapioca starch naturally absorbs excess oil for gorgeous lift. And Emblica fruit extract rebalances your crown for stronger, glossier locks. Pump directly on roots and massage in for an instant refresh with no powdery residue. Just washed, fuller body and texture for all hair types without a drop of water. Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Cleaner, safer, better, Norwex.